Hi, I'm Carson from SONAX Canada. Today we're working on a 2014 Nissan GTR. We're starting off with SONAX Actifoam. This is a car shampoo, wheel cleaner, insect cleaner all in one. We can do it by foam cannon, 1 to 30 dilution, or you can do a 10-liter bucket, 30 to 80 millimeters. This is one of my favorite products. It smells like Red Bull. Took a little longer to approve because we have a child-proof cap. We don't want the kiddies drinking it. For more information of SONAX, please go to Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube and hit like.